Right now, someone just asked ChatGPT a question that your website answers perfectly. And ChatGPT cited your competitor instead of you. Not because their content is better than yours, because their site is structured in a language that AI can read and yours isn't. That's not a content problem. That's a formatting war you didn't know you were losing. And today, that changes. 400 million people every week now ask ChatGPT instead of Googling. 50% of all Google searches now show an AI answer at the top before a single click goes anywhere. And AI search doesn't work like Google. Google rewards links and authority. AI search rewards structure. FAQs, answer capsules, schema markup, an LLMs.txt file telling AI crawlers exactly what's on your site. Without those signals, AI engines don't cite you. They don't know how to read you. Every single day you don't fix this, your competitors, some of them with thinner content than you, are being cited instead. They're capturing the AI traffic that should be yours. That free traffic is bleeding out right now. We're PixelNX, a team of experienced WordPress, SEO, and AI optimization developers. We watched site after site, including our own, lose traffic to AI search, and we couldn't find a single tool that fixed the real problem at scale. So we built the solution ourselves. The result is Geo Optimizer, the WordPress plugin purpose-built to optimize your site for AI search. Not adapted, not retrofitted, built from the ground up for the AI era. Here's what it does. The Auto AI Ready Wider is our flagship feature. Select any post, click one button, and in 60 seconds your content is rewritten with FAQs, answer capsules, authority signals, and optimized H2 and H3 structure, exactly what ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI need to cite you. Retrofitting a single post manually takes 4 to 6 hours. Geo Optimizer does it in 60 seconds flat. The AI Bot Access Manager opens your site to GPT-Bot, Claude-Bot, Perplexity-Bot, Google Extended, and more, all with a single toggle. Right now, millions of sites unknowingly have these bots blocked, and if AI can't crawl you, AI can't cite you. The full JSON LD schema suite automatically injects article, organization, FAQ page, and breadcrumb list schema, the trust signals AI needs to reference your content with confidence. The LLMs.txt generator creates a priority index for AI crawlers, and sites with LLMs.txt see up to a 47% increase in AI crawler visits within 30 days. And the Geo Audit and Scoring system runs a 20-signal diagnostic on every page, showing you exactly what's broken and what to fix in plain English. All 6 major AI search platforms covered: ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. One plugin, every platform, done. This isn't theory. Sarah's recipe blog went from 0 AI citations to being cited 7 times per day in just 14 days. Marcus optimized 5 service pages and got 11 new customer inquiries directly from AI referrals in month 1. Daniel used Geo Optimizer to launch an AI search optimization service at $200 per site. The plugin paid for itself on day 1, then 40 times over. Now, here's the part you need to pay close attention to. Geo Optimizer is first to market. There is no other tool doing what this plugin does at this level on WordPress right now. The early mover advantage in AI search is real, and it is closing fast. Right now, for a strictly limited time, you can get full lifetime access to Geo Optimizer for a low, one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, no renewal charges. Pay once, own it forever. Every future update, every new AI platform, every new feature, free for life. The starter plan covers 5 sites. The Pro plan unlocks unlimited sites, unlimited AI writer enhancements, and bulk post enhancement mode. When the timer hits 0, the price goes up. This is not a marketing trick. And if it's not right for you, 14-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Full refund, no hoops, no risk. AI search traffic is the fastest growing traffic source in internet history, growing 800% year over year and converting at 4.4 times the rate of regular search traffic. You already have the content. You just need the structure. Geo Optimizer fixes that in under 30 minutes. Click the button below right now. Get instant access, install in 2 minutes, and start getting cited. The free AI traffic is already there. It's just going to someone else. Fix that today.
Here's how you can claim it. After purchasing, contact me on my Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I will personally send you the bonus. It's that simple. This bonus will give you an extra advantage and help you move ahead faster than others. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Get started. And remember, by using the link in the description, then contact me on Instagram with your purchase screenshot and claim your free bonus. This could be your turning point. Take action now, and I'll see you on the inside.